across every facet of the business. MxV Rail is helping the railroad industry make strides in sustainability and work towards zero emissions goals.
To make a positive impact on our environment, we are taking a system-wide approach to reduce our carbon footprint. From innovation in climate resilience to educating first responders related to alternative fuels, MxV Rail is leading the industry to a more eco-friendly future.
MxV Rail's specialized team supports the industry moving forward in many capacities, whether that's by conducting industry-guided research, commercial client testing, or upskilling emergency responders to manage the latest risks. Among highlights in our recent work, MxV Rail was proud to collaborate on research and testing, leading to the first battery electric switcher locomotive, commercially available in North America. On any given day, you're likely to find a decarb project in our heavy-duty maintenance facility. The #1 demand from our commercial clients this year has been research to improve suspension performance. With gains in efficiency, locomotives and rail cars require less energy, resulting in a decreased carbon footprint. MxV Rail experts are also developing models and simulations that advance our understanding of the impacts extreme heat and other climate conditions can have on rail operations. Likewise, radar and new techniques are developing rapidly to improve monitoring of the terrain and substructure layers that are key to railroad track resiliency. Those who want to stay in the know about the latest science of railroading, subscribe to the Technology Digest made possible by AAR and its member railroads. Finally, at our Security and Emergency Response Training Center, the CERTC team is offering the first ever federally funded performance-level responder training course on alternative fuels and electric vehicle emergency response. Emergency response professionals from across the nation can now experience new, realistic, hands-on prop and scenarios that are focused on alternative fuels and EVs. Behind this unique expertise and diverse research portfolio is a team that's more than 250 engineers and railroaders strong. Together with industry partners, MxV Rail is supporting the implementation of innovative solutions to further improve the resiliency of railways globally. MxV Rail is a subsidiary of the Association of American Railroads. Reach out with your test questions today.